The first step is to create a duplicate of sheet 1. Down at the bottom of the workbook, I'm going to right-click on sheet 1 and select Move or Copy. I choose to make a copy and then I select OK. Do all your work from a copy of the original sheet. Go to cell A1. We want to apply a conditional formatting rule. That rule will say, if the value in cell A1 on this sheet changes from the value on the original sheet 1, I want to change the cell fill color to yellow and then change the font to bold. On the Home tab, select Conditional Formatting and then Create New Rule. I'm going to use a formula to determine if we need to change the cell formatting. Now, select cell A1 and then type something that means does not equal. In this case, this is the symbols we type. We type the less than followed immediately by the greater than symbol together. In Excel geek speak, this means does not equal. But does not equal what? Cell A1 on the original sheet 1, right? So let's select sheet 1 at the bottom and then click on cell A1 on the original sheet 1. Since we intend to apply this rule to all the cells on the sheet, we need to remove all the cell reference locking characters. Those are the dollar signs. This is tedious because using arrow keys provides undesired results. So click with your mouse and carefully delete the dollar sign by using the delete key. Here's what the formula looks like when we're done. Let's review the formula. It says, when cell A1 on the current sheet does not equal its sister location, sheet 1, cell A1. That's the original. When that happens, the formula will return a value of true when the two values are not equal. If the values remain equal, the formula will return the value false. When the formula evaluates to true and the values are not equal, we can then set a new cell format. Now we can apply ordinary cell formatting rules. I make the font bold and the background fill color is yellow. When cell A1 changes, you can see the cell formatting is in accordance with our rule. I can put it back and the expected formatting returns. Let's propagate the rule to the rest of the sheet. We come over here into Manage Rules, and then we can change the cell A1 reference to columns A through G, the entire sheet. See? A through G. Don't forget, no dollar signs. Here's a quick cross-check of our handiwork. Look how I changed the cell values and the formatting changes. And then we just put it back. Now we'll hide the original sheet. Select the original sheet, right-click on it, and choose Hide. The sheet is now hidden. I am renaming our working sheet to Status. Save your work, and now you can distribute this file to many people who can make their own updates and get their changes back to you. You can then integrate the changes into a master sheet.